Bohol Island State University, Balilihan Campus ROTC Unit. President or Chief Executive of Republic of PH, Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. Chief of Staff, General Romeo S. Browner Jr. Secretary of DND, Gilberto C. Chodoro Jr. NSTP Coordinator, Janmar F. Avergonzado, MSIT.
Parang si Bino.
Campus Director, Dr. Jean F. Nebria. Campus President, Dr. Anthony M. Pinaso. Commandant, Colonel Wendell B. Paredes, Philippine Army retired. Assistant Commandant, Second Lieutenant Eduardo Magnanao, Philippine Army RES. Training Staff of Baiso Balilihan ROTCU, Sergeant Antonio Miro, Sergeant Roselar James S. Idolar, Corps and Staff of Baiso Balilihan ROTCU, Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel Aaron Vincent O. Dapar, First Class. Staff Cadet Lieutenant Commander Arnel I. Casanova, Cadet Lieutenant Commander Jonas B. Numeral. Cadet Lieutenant Quinime
Kaya.